Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fantastic June 1st. Can't believe it's June, halfway through the year. But today I'm excited I get to share with you the unboxing of the Spellbinders card kit of the month for June 2019. This kit is super fun. I had a great time creating with this. This is your kit. This is how it arrives in the mail. This month's kit is called Super Chill, and we're going to take a look at everything that comes in this month's kit. Starting off with the content sheet, you have some beautiful inspirational photos in the front, and then on the reverse side you get a card project. Nice thing about the card project, it shows you how to create that card, but it also shows you how to put together the die cut balloon. Not die cut balloon, the doggy balloon that's made from die cuts. There we go. Okay, this month you get 6 pieces of cardstock. You get the gold mirror, you get white, black, pink, you get yellow, and a very soft blue. And these are all 8.5 by 11 sheets with a little bit of texture to them. As always, you get 10 envelopes that are A2 in size. And then you also get 10 pre-scored and folded card bases. These are a lighter weight card base. I'd say about 80 pound. That's a guesstimate. Don't quote me on that. But they have the same texture as your cardstock. You get 10 of those. Now also included this month is your 6x6 paper pad. This month you get 40 sheets total. And before I show you the paper pad, these 3 items here, the stamp, the paper pad, and the die cut pack are all available separately outside the kit. So if you guys aren't a fan of the kit, there's options at the Spellbinder shop where you could pick up, like if you like the paper pad, it's available over there. And I'll list them individually down below for you in case you want to check those out. But this month's color palette is so fun. You get 20 sheets of pattern papers. Some of them have gold embossed detail like this one here, super pretty. Florals, stripes. This one has little borders, lemons. Fun. This is my favorite. I love this. This has some gold accent on there as well. But they're single-sided. That one's so pretty. And you get 2 of each pattern, which is great. That's a beautiful image there. That'd be pretty to frame. And then it just repeats itself. But this is the Super Chill 6x6 paper pad. Okay, next we get the stamp set. Fun images in here. There's candies and lemonade items. You get the little citrus image that you can color in to make lemons, limes, oranges. You get the little jar. You get the little stick that could be doubled as a candy stick, or it could be doubled as a straw for your lemonade jar. You also get your ephemera pack, your die cut pack, and there is fully loaded. Here you have 2 of each one this month, and I love the colors. I think the colors are so soft and pretty. I would say most all of them have gold detail on each one of these. Now I'm going to speed up the video to get through this because there are so many. But sentiments, candies, flowers, birthday items, there's cameras, there's just donuts. The donuts were so soft and pretty. I love those. I am going to be making 10 cards with this kit, but it'll be in 2 separate parts. So there will be part 1 at the end of this video. On the very top will be part 1. Part 2 will be right below it. I had to separate the video because it ran a little bit long and my computer wouldn't take a whole 10 cards. So I'm sorry I have to separate it. But the good thing is I can go a little bit slower in detail on how I create my cards. But this is your die cut pack. I'm going to put everything back. Lovely. Now we're going to take a look at the sticker sheets. You get 3 different kind of stickers. And I think it's a neat little pack, and they all coordinate beautifully with the ephemera pack and also the pattern paper. But your first sheet here is vellum with gold accent, and it's a super heavyweight vellum. It's a little bit tricky getting them off the clear backing, but once you do it, they stick beautifully on your projects. So you get a sheet of that. You get some gold foiled sentiments. And I love the ombre look of those. So you get a sheet of those, and then these are like a cross between vellum and acetate, more like a cloudy acetate, because they're super thin. But when you put them on white cardstock, they're just beautiful. But that is your sticker pack. Okay, next you get 6 journaling tags. These are 3x4 journaling tags that are double-sided. There's some great sentiments on here, but these would also make great items for scrapbooking if you like to scrapbook. And they coordinate with your paper pad beautifully also. We'll just put these back. Next up we get some vellum. No, we get sequins. Gold sequins, which are always nice. Here's your vellum pack. The vellum is 8x8 sheets, and you get 2 of them. The first one has some sentiments on there. The second one has little itty bitty bows that are very dainty. And they're gold foil embossed, which is really nice. Okay, now we get a look at the dies. My goodness, these are so fun this month. Okay, I'm going to spread them out on my card base here. Now, you get the cute little balloon doggy, which has layers to him for a 3D effect that's super nice. And then you get these items that create the cutest little heart glasses you can imagine. And they're like the perfect size. Now pay no attention to how I'm layering balloon doggy pieces on, because that's not the right way. I end up, when I created my 10 cards, I figured that out. But you get 3 candles, you get a sentiment that says "Oh joy," and then the nice thing about the sentiment is it has an exclamation point at the end of the joy, and that little dot that I always lose or end up having to die cut is all connected, so you won't lose it, which is great. So I die cut everything out, and then I wanted to show you I wanted to put them together and show you what they look like. The glasses are adorable. Using the heart die, I cut out 2 hearts. It cuts out a heart frame and then the inside piece. Now this little piece is where you would attach both of the hearts to the left and the right, just using a little bit of glue. And you want to make sure that little piece is a little higher on the heart. That way your nose is not at the bottom of the hearts. But you just connect those together. I'm going to flip it over. There's little score lines on the handles of the glasses, and you just fold those over and attach the smaller piece of the score line on the back of the glasses, and they crisscross beautifully. But there's your little glasses. Aren't they cute? I'm going to let them dry, and that way I can open them up for you. Next, I die cut out the candles with white cardstock, and then I ran them back through my platinum sticks, and I used my embossing mat. But these have beautiful embossed detail on there, and I hope the camera can pick it up on the white. But the doggy does too, actually has embossed detail, which is great. But these come with candle wicks or candle flames. And the stem of the candle flame is long, so you can adjust it. You can make it high or low, which I think is neat. You just glue that right behind your candle. There's 3 candles in total. The third one here is doesn't have a pattern on it. Well, it has a little rectangle on the very bottom, but it'd be great for layering your candles for a little bit of dimension, or just using it by itself with pattern paper. Okay, I was going to glue my doggy down. A good thing I didn't, because I got the placement all wrong. So again, pay no attention to my placement. I'm going to add the little doggy legs. And then this piece I put in the doggy body. And it's actually a leg. So don't put the leg on the body. You get the little nose, and then you get the ear. And again, these have embossed detail also. You get the little tail. And that centerpiece is supposed to be for the leg. Here's your "Oh Joy" sentiment. It's very dainty and very pretty. I like that. But once your glue dries, you can open up the arms of the glasses here, and they make perfect little glasses. You could fill in the back with some acetate if you wanted, or some mirror cardstock to make them look like sunglasses. But I think these would be adorable for Valentine's Day cards. Make a bunch of these and then make a little envelope to stick them in. But cute little dies this month. Okay, also included as always is your foam tape, excuse me, and then also your roll of double-sided tape. So everything you need to create is in this kit. So keep a lookout for part 1 and part 2 of my 10 cards that's following this video. I wish you a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. We will see you again real soon.